Hello all the students of class 4. Today we will discuss about the next part of your science class of lesson 2. That is, so your next topic is tooth decay. So children, take out your science book. Children, look at your book, that is page number 12, and follow the lines with me. When we eat, small bits of food may get stuck between our teeth. Look at this picture, children. How this food gets stuck between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, the stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin layer of germs called plaque. So children, when we do not brush our teeth properly, our teeth start rotting and our teeth get covered with the layer of germs that is called plaque, and this plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid. So this acid affects the tooth enamel and starts decaying. This is called tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel. Look at this picture, children. How this plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food and that produce acid, and this acid affects our teeth and it causes holes. Look at this picture, children. These are the holes of our teeth. These holes and cavities are caused only because we do not brush our teeth properly. Yes or no? Yes, that is why we should brush our teeth properly. Otherwise, this plaque will affect our teeth. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. When any cold or hot things come in contact with these exposed nerves, we get a toothache. So children, as you have got, the pulp of our teeth has blood vessels and nerves, and when our teeth start decaying, our nerves and blood vessels in the pulp get exposed, and when we eat something like cold or hot things, our teeth get a toothache. Thus, the tooth decay causes the following. Number 1, toothache. Number 2, foul smell from the mouth. When our teeth start decaying, others can get foul smell from our mouth. Number 3, stomach disorders. So children, when our teeth get ache, our stomach also starts paining. Number 4, holes or cavities in the teeth. So children, when our teeth start decaying, cavities also start growing in our teeth. Look at this picture, children. These are cavities. See how these cavities are formed in our teeth. So children, we should brush our teeth properly. Number 5, loss of teeth. Where our teeth become full of cavities, then where do we go? Yes, we go near the dentist. And at the end, dentist removes our teeth, as well as we lost our teeth. Yes or no? Yes. Number 6 is bleeding gums. Look at this picture, children. Because of tooth decay, our gums also start bleeding. So children, what have you understood from these lines? Yes, we should not let to form cavities in our teeth. So we should brush our teeth properly, so the food will not get stuck between our teeth and our teeth will not get covered with a thin layer that is called plaque.